my name is Kishan Amlani. I am from Robofunlab, Porbandar. Today I might get into gears. Wheels with teeth are called gears. We use gears to change speed and force. When drive and driven gear are same, the speed is same. When drive gear is big and driven gear is small, the speed will fast. When drive gear is small and driven gear is big, the speed will slow. Today I make gear robot. In gear robot, I use one EV3 brake and two motors and gears. In gear mechanism, I use drive gear small and driven gear big. To then speed is slow and force is more. I use this box to carry this load brake. So let's see how it's. Thank you.